the boy and the vibes. It's too much.
You know
it's
what's
the
going
leadership.
on. You know
Tell
what's
us how
going
we
on.
do it.
You know what's going on?
Deep.
Yo man, the killing charges got pulled over on the side of the road. They give me a ticket because my car got no plates on. It's making too much noise. You know when you're killing the truck like this, you don't have a problem because I don't want to take it like Patel. Mala bro, I like Patel. Shout out RCG Markets for being the best broker, man. Making money. It's a blue market. Mala mommy sister like Patel and with this. Yo, I'm spending the day with my nigga Young Emma.
You already know, bro.
Yo, Mr. Forever Blue.
You tough, man. I'm currently holding a few trades on RCG.
Oh shit.
You know.
Oh. With the best broker, of course.
That's what we're doing, baby.
Come this side. We're killing it. In the streets, bro.
You already tough.
And they thought it's not real, this shit.
Yes, sir.
Trading with the best. RCG Markets. Let's go.